Today we will read chapter number 6, the correct use of determiners. A determiner is a word that determines or limits the noun that follows. Determiners are those words that comes before the noun and determine their limit, like a book, two girl, any book, an import, a little dress, the Ramayana. Several problems, a few difficulties, a lot of difficulties. Determiners can be divided into 5 groups: possessive, demonstrative, quantifier, numeral, articles. Possessive: my, our, your, his, her, its, their, etc. Demonstrative: this, that, these, those, such, some, any, the other, certain, etc. Quantifier: much, little, no, some, any, enough, sufficient, all, whole, half, etc. Numeral: definite, indefinite. Definite: 1, 2, 3. A second thought: indefinite: all, some, no, many, few, several, etc. Articles: he and the. Here are some rules about the use of determiners. Some, any. Both these words refer to number as well as quantity. Both some and any refer to number and quantity. See how some is used. Some is used in affirmative sentences like there are some children outside. Some people are always after money. These are the positive sentences. Some is used in affirmative sentences, as well as the questions when the speaker expects an affirmative answer. Like, didn't he give you some money? Answer: yes, he gave me some money. Are not there some stamps in the drawer? Yes, there are. When the speaker expects an affirmative answer, here also some are used. Okay. Any is used in negative sentence and the question when the speaker expects a negative answer. Like, I did not buy any bread. Negative question, negative sentence. He has not solved any question. Negative sentence. It's a question when a speaker expects a negative answer. Like, have you any problem? No, I don't have any problem. See, it's a negative answer. Are there any stamps in the drawer? No, there are some. None. So, no. See, it's a negative answer. An affirmative sentence having the following words: prevent, without, hardly, scarcely. Here also any is used. I have had hardly any leisure nowadays. We did the work without any difficulty. Please try to prevent any harm to him. Okay, so any is used with prevent, without, hardly, scarcely words. Phrases having the sense of no matter which, and in any case, at any rate, on any days, at any hour. In such phrases, and is also used, like you can come on any day you like, you are welcome at any hour of the day. Phrases or clauses of the condition, like I shall help you in case of any difficulty, I shall help you if you have any problem. If in case of any difficulty, if you have any problem, it's a clause of conditions. Okay, remember that we never use no with any. We never use no with any. Like, he did no work, it's right. He did not do any work, it's right. He did know any work, it's wrong. Okay, there were no girls in the class, right? There were not any girl in the class, right? There were no any girl in the class, wrong. So we don't use any with no. Few, little. Few is a determiner of number and little is a determiner of quantity. Okay, when we talk about the countable things, we use few, and uncountable things, we use little. Like, we have few holidays, holidays are countable. There were few girls in the class, girls are countable. Little is a determiner of quantity, it means we use little in case of uncountable things. I have little rice during the day. There's a little milk in the fridge. Milk is not countable, rice is not countable. Note the difference in the meaning and use of few, a few, and the few. There are 3 concepts of few, a few, and the few. What's the difference in their meaning? See. Few, it's a negative determiner. It is used in the sense of not many. When we want to say something negatively, when we want to say something in the sense of not many, we use few. Okay. A few, it is an affirmative determiner. It is used in the sense of at least some. Okay, now come the few. It makes one negative statement and the other affirmative. It makes the whole of the it means the whole of a particular number. See, he makes few mistakes. It means he makes he does not make many mistakes, he make only few mistakes. It is a negative determiner. It is used in the sense of not many. He does not make many mistakes. He makes a few mistakes. He does make some mistake at least. It means it is in the sense of at least some. He makes a few mistakes. He makes some mistakes. No, okay. I corrected the few mistakes he has made. It means he did not make many mistakes and I corrected all of them. First sentence is he did not make many mistakes and whatever the mistake was there, I corrected all of them. Okay. So the sentence number 3 implies two statements. The mistake he has made were not many, negative. Affirmative, I corrected all the mistake he has made. Okay. So the third one, the few, it makes one negative statement and the other affirmative. Okay. There is a similar difference in the meaning of and use of little, a little and the little. Little. It's a negative determiner. It is used in the sense of not much. A little is an affirmative determiner. It is used in the sense of at least some. The little it makes one negative statement and the other affirmative. It means the whole of particular quantity. Okay, like few, little have the same meaning and use. See, he had little money. It means he did not have much money. He had a little money. He had some money at least. He did not have much money. He have at least some money. He is not without money. He has at least some money. He spent a little money he had. It implies two things again. He did not have much money and he spent all of it. It makes two statements. First one is negative, like the money he had was not much and he spent all the money that he had. Just like few, it also implies two things. Okay, one negative sentence and the other affirmative. See, first one is negative and the other affirmative. So little is used in negative in the determiner as a negative determiner in the sense of not much. A little is used in affirmative determiner in the sense of at least some. And the little makes one statement, one negative and the other affirmative.